Once you're finished with your script, you can use the share button to share with anybody in your team or with an external email. You can also use this export button and download your document straight to your device. Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about everything YouTube scripts. In this video, I'm going to break down how you can write an entire video script using AI in just a few minutes. There's a couple of ways you can go about doing this with Simplified. So first, we're going to talk about the AI templates. Let's come to the video tab here. And this is where you'll see a breakdown of all of our individual video templates. So if you're looking for something really specific, like you just need to write a YouTube short script or you just need a YouTube video intro, this is the place to come. Because I want to write an entire script start to finish with a title, an introduction, a conclusion, I'm going to use the long form writer. So let's go back to the home page and then click New Document. You'll see your document on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, this is your AI toolkit. This is where you have access to every single AI template on Simplified, and you'll be able to generate results here and then copy them onto your document. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is write a YouTube video title. Go ahead and click this template box and type in YouTube. Go ahead and select YouTube video titles, select your desired language, and briefly describe what your video is about. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Generate. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate some results, which you will see here. You can also use the dropdown and generate more results if you're not happy with the results that you got the first time. I really like this first result, so I'm going to use this plus icon, which will add it to my document. Great. Let's scroll up, come back to the video templates, type in YouTube, and now I'm going to select YouTube video intro. We need to type in our video title. So what we can do is actually just simply highlight this here, which is our video title, and it will automatically paste into the video title section. Go ahead and click Generate, and literally within seconds, the AI has generated results. Go ahead and select the ones you like. You can copy it and then paste it into your document. Remember that you can always make any kinds of changes that you would like to your AI results. Nothing is set in stone, and everything can be customized. Now let's scroll back up to the template section, type in YouTube again, and now I'm going to do a YouTube video outline. Again, we need our title, so I'm going to highlight here, and then click Generate. Again, we have some amazing results to choose from, and we can copy and paste. So within about 2 minutes, we have a YouTube video title, we have a YouTube introduction, and we have a YouTube outline that's going to help us structure our video script. Now I'm going to show you a tool that's really helpful and that not many people know about. So I really want to write this second section of my YouTube script. What I can do is literally give the AI command in the document. Let me show you how. Now that I have my command, simply highlight it and then click Run Command. So in seconds, we have this amazing grocery list, and not only have we saved time, but we also have engaging content for our viewers. In this video, I really want to show you guys how you can use the templates to help you, how you can even give the AI a direct command and run that command. Now I'm going to show you how you can expand on a section. So here I want to talk about how you can utilize discount grocery stores for vegan eaters. I'm going to highlight this portion of my text, and then I'm going to use this 3-dot button to expand on this section. Within seconds, we've taken one sentence and now have 3 paragraphs. Also, a little tool here to show you is that Simplified has a Grammarly integration. So anytime there's a spelling error, it will show you and you can make a change with just a click. Fantastic. So now I've shown you some of the amazing AI tools that you can use when you're writing a YouTube script. My biggest advice is to play around with the AI, use different templates, expand on your sections, write commands, find the way in which the AI works best for you. Once you're finished with your script, you can use this share button to share with anybody in your team or with an external email. You can also use this export button and download your document straight to your device. We also have all these different features up here that can help you customize your document, whether you want to add media, if you want to change the font, the layout, the options are really endless. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments about how you are using the AI to write your YouTube scripts. And check out our other tutorials if you're curious about using different AI templates and how Simplified can help you every step of the way. See you there.